Okay, so these probably taller blocks here at Liverpool. What is it? Bigge Park water play area. There's syringes on the floor. Disgusting, nice little water park. Shouldn't go in here in case it's raining. So it looks like they're going to be doing something here for a New Year's Eve. So we'll look down this park. Oh, lovely. It's those are. It was a quiet park. Sadly though, there's no cleaners around for the toilets. There's little kids up there playing as well, so can you imagine? Little kid getting curious, what's that? Touch it. Oh my gosh, it's a needle. Four-person seat or what was that? So this is Bigge Park. Outdoor exercise equipment. We'll go outside, we'll turn around and show the camera in the park. Morning. Just go on the footpath on the outside. Oh, got a subway there, open.